Sveiki and welcome to a new Lithuanian language lesson. Nuostabu, kad jūs mokotės lietuvių kalbos. Nuostabu. That's great, that's wonderful. Nuostabu, kad jūs mokotės lietuvių kalbos. That you are learning Lithuanian language. How do we learn languages? Kaip mes mokomės kalbų? Kaip mes mokomės kalbų? Įvairiai. Aš pasakyčiau, kad įvairiai. I would say įvairiai. In different ways. In different ways. Galime mokytis sakinius. Galime mokytis sakinius. We can learn phrases. Galime mokytis žodžius. We can learn words. Galime studijuoti daiktavardžius, būdvardžius ir kitas kalbos dalis. We can study nouns, adjectives and other parts of speech. Jeigu mokomės daiktavardžius, mes išmokstame tokius daiktavardžius kaip namas, saulė, tėtis, brolis, sesuo, mintis. If we are learning nouns, we learn nouns such as house, namas, it's a house, saulė, sun, tėtis, dad, brolis, brother, sesuo, sister, mintis, thought ir kitus, and others. Kai mes mokomės veiksmažodžius, when we're learning verbs, tada žinome, ką reiškia eiti, dirbti, mylėti, galvoti. Then we know what is eiti, to go, mylėti, to love, dirbti, to work, galvoti, to think. And for today's lesson, I would like to give a name. Grožis, Gražus, Gražiai. Let it be our lesson's name. Grožis, Gražus, Gražiai. And not to be confused about these words, we will talk about them separately and we are going to compare them. So, Grožis and Gražus. Can you see the difference? Do you know the difference? If you know the first one, Grožis, it's a noun. Grožis, it's a noun. It means beauty. Grožis. Koks grožis. We say koks grožis. Koks grožis, such a beauty. We can say kaip gražu. So beautiful. So nice, so beautiful. But we can say koks grožis, such a beauty. So grožis, it's a noun. Another word, gražus. Gražus, it's an adjective. It's a masculine adjective. Gražus namas. Beautiful house. Graži upė. Beautiful river. Graži feminine. Gražus namas, graži upė. Gražūs namai, gražios upės. Gražūs namai, it's plural, beautiful houses. Gražios upės, beautiful rivers. So, gražus, graži, gražūs, gražios. Gražus, masculine singular, graži, feminine singular, gražus, masculine plural, gražios, feminine plural. And what is gražu? Gražu. It's a neuter adjective. Neuter adjective. Tai gražu. Tai gražu. It's beautiful. No masculine, no feminine. So we use neuter one. Gražu. Let's say we come to the beautiful meadow. Meadow, it's pieva. Pieva. Of course, we can say graži pieva. It's a beautiful meadow. But we can say in general about everything in here. We say čia labai gražu. It's so beautiful in here. Kaip gražu, kaip gražu. So beautiful. How beautiful, kaip gražu. So, grožis, it's a beauty, it's a noun. Gražus, adjective. Graži, an adjective. Gražus, gražios, adjective. And now, gražu, it's an adjective as well, and it's a neuter gender. So, gražu, neuter gender, we use this form when we speak in general. It's beautiful. In general, everything is beautiful. We don't know is it masculine or feminine. It's just beautiful in general. And now we have another word, gražiai. Gražiai. What is gražiai? Gražiai, it's an adverb, and adverb always goes with the verb. Adverb and verb. So, prieveiksmis. Prieveiksmis, veiksmas, it's an action, and prieveiksmis goes with veiksmas. Veiksmas, it's an action. Prieveiksmis, it's an adverb. So, gražiai. Kaip? Gražiai. Okay, let's go to the questions. The noun has a question, kas? Grožis. And adjectives, they have questions. Koks, kokia, kokie, kokios. It's what kind of. Koks, gražus. Kokia, graži. Kokie, gražūs. Kokios, gražios. And now we come to the adverb. Kaip. Question, kaip. How. Kaip. How. Gražiai dainuoja. Gražiai dainuoja. Somebody sings beautifully. Gražiai. Gražiai šoka. Somebody dances beautifully. Gražiai. Gražiai piešia. Somebody is painting beautifully. Gražiai. So, I come to the room and it's made so nicely. And somebody tied it, decorated it nicely. And I say, koks grožis. Such a beauty. Koks grožis. It's about the room. Or I can say, koks gražus kambarys. Koks gražus kambarys. Such a beautiful room. Kaip gražu kambaryje. Kaip gražu kambaryje. It's so beautiful in this room. Kaip gražiai sutvarkytas kambarys. The room is tidied so beautifully. Or tidied or decorated. This room is decorated so beautifully. Decorated it's papuoštas. Sutvarkytas it's tidied. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and I want to thank you, all my supporters. Thank you so much. Ir iki kito karto. Iki.